Hello everyone, I am Rohit Kumar. I am social science teacher from Maples Academy Devon. Student, today we are discussing about the chapter number 2 in geography, oceans and continent.
Protect our environment. Now, water can change. Water can change from one form to the another by absorbing or giving or heat. In summer, when the temperature rises, the snow on the mountains absorb heat, melts and runs down in stream. During the day, water bodies on the earth absorb heat, and some of the water changes into the water vapor and goes into the atmosphere. The process by which the water or any liquid changes the water vapor or gas is known as evaporation. And water evaporates continuously from ocean and other water bodies and a land surface. Evaporation is the highest on hot, windy and dry days. Water vapor is also emitted mainly from the leaf, and this process is called transpiration. And water is a colorless liquid which constitutes the major part of the earth. From the survival, 71% of the earth consists of water, and hence the planet is also called the blue planet. The major source of water for the human are lakes, river, pond, etc. And the chemical compositions on the water of the earth is some as and the water cycle. The water cycle is a journey that water takes around the earth. Let's learn about the different stages of the water cycle. Now, water cycle, there is a evaporation. When water gets heated, then it gets evaporate and makes the cloud as a process known as condensation. And after the condensation, there is a precipitation in the form of rain, snow and hailstorm, etc. Now, this is continuously occur, and this is known as a water cycle. Now, this is a distribution of the water bodies. We all know that the 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by the water. If there is a more than water than on the land, this earth, why do we so many countries face water scarcity? Now, the ocean contain 97.3% saline water, and ice cap 2%, and the groundwater on earth is 0.68%, and freshwater lake only 0.009, and inland seas and salt 0.009, and atmosphere in the form of water vapors 0.0019, and the river contain 0.0001. These are the part of the fresh water makes the water on earth. And ocean, the ocean is the body of the salt water that's covered approximately 70.8%. And the following name describe the 5 different areas of the oceans are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Antarctic, or known as the Southern Ocean, and Arctic. The ocean contains 97% of the earth water and is primary components of the earth hydrosphere. Now, importance of the oceans. Our world oceans provide climate regulation, transportation, economic and recreation. Now, and food. The ocean provides the much more than just the seafood. Ingredients from the sea are found in the surprising foods such as peanut butter and soya milk. And medicine. Many medicinal products come from the oceans, including the ingredients that are the help for the fight cancer, arthritis, Alzheimer's disease and heart disease. Now, wave. When the water on the earth's surface on the ocean rises, falls, and alternately they are called the waves. The storm produce the high speed winds, forming destructive waves, and natural events like the earthquake can trigger tsunamis, enormous waves reaching up to the 15 meter or more. And tides, the rhythmic rise and fall of the ocean water twice in a day, called a tide. And it is a high tide. High tide when water covers much of the shore by rising at the highest level, and it is a low tide when the water falls at its lowest level and recedes from the shore. Now, this is the diagram of the position of the moon and the sun during the spring tides and the neap tides. Now, this diagram shows the ocean current when the in the upper equatorial and known as the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. where is the ocean current flowing. Now, ocean currents in certain parts of the ocean, the water moves along a definite direction. The masses of the ocean water moving in a definite direction are called the ocean current. Comparatively slow moving masses of the water are called the drifts and currently move away from its origin become a drift. And ocean currents are caused chiefly by the action of planetary winds on the surface of the water of the oceans. Now the climate and the ocean currents. Climate and the ocean currents influence the climate of the coastal region. In fact, wind blowing from the sea often carry the influence of the ocean current far inland. An ocean current also influences the rainfall. Wind passing over the warm currents pick up the moistures and cause heavy rainfall. And eastern USA and western coast of the Europe receive a rainfall. On the other hand, wind passing over cold currents becoming cool and dry and bring hardly any rainfall. Now the other effects of the ocean currents. Ocean currents have several significant effects. Influence the global climate, transferring heat, coastline and affect the weather pattern and storm formation. And these effects highlight the importance of the ocean current in the shaping our planet's climate, ecosystem.